What is the difference between the international politics and international relation? International politics only focus on political relations only, whereas the international relation focuses between among all the state. It may be political or may not be political. Means in politics only politics is focused, but in international relation it may be a political or may not be a political. Then relation will be only of political relation between all state, and here in international relation, relations may be about the cultural, traditional, political relation or the commercial or of the business. Then politics is a narrow concept while the international relation is a wider and a broad concept. Here the international politics emphasis on the official relation between the state and their government official. In international relation, it includes non-official, informal and the private relation among the groups and people. Next question is, what is bipolarity? In international relation, when there are two major power which stood against one another is called bipolarity. Bipolar situation was arose when Cold War between the United States and the Soviet Union came against one another. Buffer state. Buffer state is a country lying between two rival or potentially hostile greater power. Its existence can sometimes be thought to prevent conflict between them. Example, Bhutan and Sikkim were the buffer state between the British Empire and China. What is international law? This is the first point. International law is also known as public international law, and law of nation is the set of rules, norms and standards generally accepted in relation between nations. International law is a system of treaties and agreements between the nation that governs how nations interact with other nation, citizens of the other nation and business of other nation. This is the first point and this is the second point. What is collective security? Collective security system by which states have attempt to prevent or stop war. It is regarded as the most effective device of maintaining peace and deterring aggression. It is a device by which the security of all nations is assured. Basic principle is that an attack on one nation will be regarded as an attack on all states, one for all for one. This is the collective security.